Hello, English 112 students. Welcome to week 4. I appreciate you logging in and watching the video. If you have any questions after the video, please post them in the help forum or send them directly to me if it's a personal thing that you need to talk about, okay? So I'm going to share my screen here for a few minutes and then show you what we're doing for this week and then let you be on your way to start doing those things. So the announcement tells you that this week you're working on a couple things. B9, the full annotated bibliography, assignment instructions and resources. You're going to look at those materials and mark them checked. Make sure that you understand all the materials that are there. Then on the 12th, you will do the B10 plagiarism review, an e-text and connect assignment. The important reminders next week, the week following, you'll actually be submitting that final annotated bibliography, 8 source draft. So this past week, you submitted the 2 source draft. That was kind of practice for you. I'll give you feedback on that this week, and then you'll have to be able to enable that feedback or make the corrections you need to make, and then go ahead and add the other 6 sources to that for the full annotated bib that's due on the 16th. Remember that those larger documents for you all for 112, that's the annotated bib, the rhetorical analysis, and the larger essay that's due in Module D, the research proposal. All of those must be shared with me through your Microsoft OneDrive account through the JCC Student Portal from the beginning of the time that you write the essay. So as soon as you start writing that essay, I need to be added or shared with by putting my email address in. Also, that the B11 writing portal assignment, which is coming up in the week, not this coming week, but next week, requires that you submit that draft of that 8 source annotated bib to the Jaguar writing portal at least 2 days before the final draft is due to me. So make sure that you're looking at that ahead of time. As always, there are no AI generated submissions that are allowed this week, and I always reserve the right to request a meeting with you to discuss any assignment at any point. Some of you still have not done a meeting with me. You haven't made your initial meeting with me. I will not be grading or attaching a grade to any large assignments if you have not met with me yet. So do that or it will not be graded. That's what I got for you this week. If you have any questions, please, like I said, post them in the help forum or by going to and writing an email to me directly and asking the question. You're not bothering me, I promise. Grading is ongoing and hope to be caught up by the end of the week. So thank you much. Have a good week.